Yo, so in today's video, this is gonna be just a little day in the life. As you can see in this clip right here, I am making breakfast for myself. Don't mind it. I'm just fucking around with the GoPro. Yeah. I found out there was no mic on it like an hour after I finished recording my first thing. So yeah. But yeah, here's a little clip of my food. It looks really nice. It was fucking delicious, by the way. Yeah, so as you can tell, this is kind of my first voiceover type of thing. Here's a little clip of just me watching Simon Colby, who I love to death. Yeah. So, other than from last video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for, making 2024 a year for me to remember. Here's a little clip of me just showing my phone off, showing y'all the time, which was 9:11. Not the perfect time. So yeah, that mouse pad I still have. Here's a little clip of me watching Monday Night Raw. That came up on Netflix. Yeah, clip of me watching Raw, seeing The Rock return was fucking insane. As you can see here, I'm surprised as shit. I started watching it at like 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. like after it aired live. I'm just cleaning the camera because it looks fuzzy as shit. There's me, The Rock. I only learned it has a fisheye lens just now. Just in the clip. I'm amazed. I love WWE. I love anything to do with WWE. So yeah. Here's a little clip of me watching. Here's the final clip, of me watching Simon Colby and eating a pot noodle. So yeah, that was just my day.